Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. My inspiration comes from art. It is called fluid art. I'm gonna put up a little screen and I'm gonna show you some of my personal fluid art paintings. The large one that you're gonna see first is one that I did, and then there is a small one that I'm gonna show you guys that I actually bought. I have been researching about this art for years and I absolutely love it. Recently found someone on Instagram who did fluid art nails. Now I knew how to do the marble part of it, but I wasn't exactly sure how she got what they call cells. The cells are when you use silicone in the paint, as you see in these pictures that I'm showing you. I was like, well, I can't do that in nail art. So how do I get my cells? Well, you're gonna laugh because it's actually really easy. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it in today's video. So I actually took a class online on Instagram, and the girl that I took the class from is on Instagram, and her name is Beauty B, and every design is different, and that's what makes it special and unique. Just show you real quick. This is only one of the ways you can do fluid art. Look at that. Isn't that freaking awesome? All right, her name is Beauty by B. Oh my gosh, and look at her followers, you guys. 22.2, and today's 22. That's not no coincidence. I think everything has a reason and a purpose. She is the one who had the class. Let me show you a set of her nails right there. See the big cells? On my right hand, we are using my Maximum Stilettos by Enail Couture, are my take on the fluid art. Cells here too. The very first time in history on my channel, I am going to be using my 10XL stiletto nails. All you're going to do is buff off that surface shine, lay down a base coat, ready to go. Make sure your cuticle areas are nice and etched. Make sure they fit your cuticle area. It is a press-on video, so you don't really need to do that. With press-ons, you will want to go ahead and buff off your surface shine. Get a nail glue that works really well and use that, or use tabs. I'm going to be using tabs in today's video just because it's easier on me. I do have my Fun Gel number 001 by Enail Couture. I'm also using my ombre brush that comes in the set by Enail Couture. This is the one that looks like that. I think it comes in a pack of like 10 other ones. I do get 10% off of Enail Couture if you guys are interested in anything that I use in today's video. For the gel polishes, we're actually going to be using an old collection that I have, my ModelOnes Emboldened collection. And would you look at these colors? These are gorgeous colors. Also going to want to get a palette or something you can put gel polish on. As you can see, this is what I used earlier. I'm going to go ahead and take each color and go ahead and put dots all around this paper. You just start placing your colors. That is what your little palette should look like. I'm going to use number 001. This is the gel polish by Enail Couture. It is his new white. Cover the entire nail with the white. And you only need one coat of that, because this white is very pigmented. All right, we're gonna go ahead and pop these in the light to cure for 60 seconds. Here we go, here comes the magic. So now I'm gonna take the blooming gel. You're gonna put one coat of that on, cover the whole nail with the blooming gel. Now this one by Enail Couture works fabulous. If you've not tried it, definitely go try it. Go get you one. You're gonna lay that brush down flat as a pancake, and you're just gonna slide the brush through those colors. Don't pick up yet. Just slide. And then pick up slowly. You see how it's all on top? You're gonna start. You can put it down at an angle. You're just gonna lay it down, kind of waiting for that blue to come through again. Let's go through, grab some more color. You can start here, wherever you want. I'm gonna go ahead and clean my brush off. I'll let that spread. I have a straw and it is cut, and you can blow if you want to. That's totally up to you. If you like the way it looks, don't blow. Don't blow it. Literally, don't blow it. No pun intended. I like the way that looks. I'm gonna leave it alone. I'm just gonna let it spread. There is an air bubble. I'm gonna take this little dotting tool. I'm gonna go right here. I'm gonna pop that air bubble, and you're gonna go like this and go all the way down that nail, pulling off any excess gel polish. Now we're not finished. We're gonna do our cells. Dip into this blue. I wanna use a color that's already on your nail. I go into a spot that has nothing. I'm gonna start here and I'm gonna make a dot with the blue. Make another dot. Make a smaller dot. Make as many as you want. That spread for a second. You're gonna get another color. I've dunked my dotting tool in the teal, put it in the center of that blue, just like so. You're gonna do it to all the dots, like that. And just let it sit and spread for a second. Now, once you're happy, go ahead again and make sure your sides are clean. And I'm happy. I'm gonna cure it. Then you're gonna make sure your brush, again, is dry. As dry as you can possibly get it, just like that. It down flat as a pancake, and then push. Picking up that gel on one side of your brush. Okay, when you're happy, pick it up, keeping it on that one side. Tip the brush just a bit, and I'm gonna start moving. I'm gonna start dragging it. I'm turning it. I'm just gonna lay it down like that. See how this is falling over here to the side? I'm gonna grab my straw and I'm gonna blow it back on the nail. Did you see how I did that? I know it's hard for me to show in the film, but I'm blowing it. So I just blew that back up on the nail because it was falling off. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cure all the nails now for a full 60 seconds. I'm gonna grab my SXC top coat, and it's super shiny. All right, after the top coat is applied, let's pop them into the light. Let's give them a nice cure. I want to add some fun to these nails because they are fun. Found these little letter beads on Shein, and I have picked out enough of them to spell fluid art on my accent finger. But before I do that, I have taken a whole bunch of different sized O-ring, jump rings, whatever you want to call them, and I have put them all together. So I'm going to go up just a teeny weeny bit, and I'm gonna start drilling that hole. That should be big enough for what I need it for. 4 jump rings, all different sizes, connected together. And then I'm gonna take this last teeny one, apply that to the nail. Put that through the hole, clamp it together. Then there you have it. Now these nails would be for show. I'm gonna grab my Enail Couture DIY gel in clear and put a dot for the F, a dot for the L. You guys get the gist of it. U I D A R, oh shit, T. Okay, just like so. I'm gonna go ahead and cure that. My SXC no wipe top coat really quickly. Even though they are already top coated, you're gonna wanna seal the beads in. So just go ahead and go right beside those beads with that top coat. All right, go ahead and give it a 60-second cure. Holy shit, ladies. Holy shit, look at those nails. Look at those. There we have it. There we have it. Just add you some cuticle oil. I'm gonna go ahead and do that just for shits and giggles. Oh man, it's hard. All right, y'all, here we go. Look at these. Look at the fluid art nails. Now you can do this on short nails. So there you go. There's my crazy ass nails. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of these. Would you guys rock these if they were shorter? Would you guys rock these as they are? Let me know in the comment section down below. All right, y'all, I'll let you go. Sending you lots of love and light. Stay positive, stay blessed, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Oh, and don't forget, go check out that ModelOnes Emboldened kit. If they still have that kit available, I'm going to post it in the description box because it is absolutely a must-have kit. I'm telling you guys, you will not freaking regret it. I did a whole video on that kit. I'm gonna link it in the description and in the cards. Please go watch that video.